Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to split up this massive Stromanthe Triostar because I want to propagate it into multiple plants. The way you propagate these is by division. So we're going to break this up into all the other little plants that I can teller in here so that we can have a bunch of little baby plants that can grow even bigger. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is pull this massive guy out of the pot. All right. So now what we're going to do is gently we're going to separate all of this. And then we're going to find the natural division in the plant. So you can kind of see like this is one, and we're going to break them apart into separate little plants. Ta-da! Here is our first little guy. If we rinse off these roots, you could probably see that we could cut here and make this its own little thing. These are probably two separate ones. Yep. So we'll be able to plant these in two separate pots and grow them even bigger. So let's see how many we get out of this one pot. All right, here we have another one. I can probably also cut here, but I'll leave this one as is. All right, so from that one plant, we were able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I'll say 19 plants. Oh, 20. I'd say that was well worth it. Now we can repot these into all separate pots and they will grow up new leaves and get nice and full, and we can keep dividing them if we want to. I'm probably going to sell some of these because they're just such beautiful plants. I want more people to experience the joy of houseplants. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe and like it, and leave a comment if you have any questions about propagating any other types of plants. Happy growing!